Chorrito. Ooh, my mirror is streaky, you guys. So I'm just wearing something super casual today. This is my Ootd. Just a regular taupey shirt, some mom jeans, and some Forces. So that's what I'm wearing today. Got my hair up in a ponytail. I was gonna do some makeup, but I can't be bothered doing makeup right now. So we're just gonna head out to Marshall's. They just opened. I wanted to get there before they open, but whatever. So hopefully there's not that many people. I'm gonna try to record. So see what they have and stuff, and then probably go to Michael's to find some basic stuff that I need for my crafts and everything like that. So I just want to take you guys along. So let's go. So Marshall's literally like 4 minutes from my house. So I just decided to come this morning. They opened at 9:30. It's 9:37 right now, and there's so many cars in this parking lot, but there's other stores and stuff, but I'm sure there's probably quite a few people in there and stuff. So I brought my partner in crime. Hopefully he acts okay. We'll see. But hopefully you guys like this little vlog, running around with me and stuff with today. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel before you guys head out to another channel or watch my other videos. So there's not that many people here, which is awesome. Starting off in the hair section, they have this Amika bombshell blowout spray. This cheap Barbie iron guard for $10. This is cute. And of course they always have their Chi line, and then they always have all this coconut oil. Have you guys tried this brand? This is $6 right here, $9. What's this? Foxy Bay heat protectant spray for $8. All these vanity mirrors, and then look, they got ring lights. So I bought one of these. I bought mine for $4. This one's on sale for $6. We have all these bamboo mirrors. This is cute. $12.99. Then they have this light, remote controlled LED vanity light, $10. Like my favorite part of the store right here. Look how cute this is. This is $8. That's really cute. This one right here is $10. That's super cute. I guess to put your salt and stuff. Look, they even have a Mickey Mouse cutting board. It's cute. Oh, what's this? $8 for this. This is on sale. You can honestly use that for jewelry too if you wanted. Put some earrings in there. I have all these wooden trays and stuff. Like this one is, I believe, $13. No, $15. Super cute. This is new that I'm seeing is all these trays, extra large ice cube trays. Slow melting ice, and it's silicone. This is for $5. Look how cool. This is our ice molds. Flowers, a mustache, a basketball, baseball. This is cool. That one's $7. All these little tables. These are so cute. This one's for $80. These ones for $50. Bench. So I got all these lamps. This one is $25. The one that I really like is this one. It's for $40. Yeah, $40, but they only have one. This is cute. Happy pumpkin spice season. They even have this one. Look at all these pumpkins. That one's heavy. Yeah. $12.99. Look at this one. This is my favorite brand of candles, and they're usually $7.99. They smell so good. My nose is so red from my mask and stuff. I had that thing on tight. So I just got done walking around Marshall's. You guys, I was in there for like the longest. It's 11:29. I'm pretty sure I was in there at like 9:40, 9:30 something. I don't know. But anyways, I had walked to Starbucks. So I got me the pumpkin cold brew foam with extra foam. And this is in a venti cup. So this is the first time of me having it since it came out, so this year. So I think it tastes really good. If you like pumpkin and stuff, then you'll definitely like this drink. But I'm gonna head home. I was hoping Starbucks would have these double-walled cups, because I have to make some I'm making some fall glitter cups and stuff. But they didn't have anything, like no cups at all. So I'm gonna have to try Target, but my partner in crime back there is knocked out, so probably should just get home and stuff, and maybe later on I'll head out again, or sometime this weekend and stuff. So I'll show you. I only got 2 things. I'll show you when I get home what I got and everything. But I was gonna get a shirt and stuff, but I ended up putting it back. So yeah, I'll show you what I got when I get home. Hey everybody. Can you say hey? Can you say hey? See, I just woke up from a nap. Okay, yeah, so he just woke up from a nap. We've been home for like maybe 15 minutes or so. I just want to show you guys what we got from Marshall's. Come on, chunky monkey. Okay, sit down. Siéntate. Uh-oh. He's gonna try to grab the phone. Ah, no! Here, leave it. Leave the phone. We just gonna have feet in the camera? Okay, how am I gonna do this, baby? We need that just in case we return something. Okay. So I almost got the tray, but honestly, I already have something for like my fruit and stuff. That's the only thing I could think of to use that black tray was for like fruit and stuff, and then yeah. So I ended up putting it back and everything. But then I went to the men's section and I found something for hubby. They really have some good men clothing. So I found this, just a crew neck kind of thing for 10 bucks. So that's not bad at all. The brand is Van Heusen. Let's see. Van Heusen. Oh, sorry, baby. So yeah, I thought this was really nice. Hopefully it fits him and stuff. And I think it'll look really nice on him. Then, let me get that before you tear that up. Then I found this food container. It has 3 compartments and a spork. So this is what it looks like. It was for $5. So yeah, I like the little color, the little spotty detailing and stuff. I'm just gonna mess with the bag. And yeah, so it comes with the spork and then the 3 compartments where you can put like fruit, vegetables, and your main course in there and stuff. So I thought that'd be perfect for hubby, and I feel like it's kind of portion control, like a good size for food and stuff, and it's pretty deep and stuff. So I got that. If they end up having more, I might buy like maybe 1 or 2 more. This is a 38-ounce BPA free, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. So that's pretty awesome, just for $5. So I thought that was a good deal, good buy and stuff, and we'll get some good use out of it, huh? So the shirt that I had was just a regular kind of scoop neck, long sleeve, and it was just a black shirt, pretty much, black long sleeve shirt. That was $10, but I feel like I can maybe get that for cheaper. It had like ribbing material on it and stuff, and it was a nice shirt, like good quality, but I just ended up putting it back and ended up getting my husband something. So then I looked at the boy section. I feel like the boy clothes is just so, I don't know, their clothes it's so repetitive, and they don't really have like super cute things, you know, like sometimes it's just hard to find stuff for little boys. But I will say, when I was at Marshall's, there was a ton of women scanning and putting new price down, like stickers on items and stuff. What are you doing? You're gonna grab my drink? That's okay. Here, agua. He's trying to grab my drink. So, yeah, they were scanning everything down, like everything was like in red tickets. So yeah, they were just marking stuff down. So I waited for like the candle section, but I feel like they don't really have that many fall candles or anything like that. So I was kind of like, eh. But yeah, so anyways, I got those 2 things, and I think for the rest of the day I'm just gonna chill out. I already did some laundry, and then I vacuumed the floor and stuff. You gonna say hi? Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna chill out until hubby gets home. I have to cook later. He's giving me a mean face. Why are you giving me a mean face? Say cheese. Cheese. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you like this style of video, I'm still, like I said before, I'm trying to get used to like recording in public and stuff. It's just so nerve-wracking to me and stuff. But if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you would have bought and stuff, or what you want to see more in the stores, or what type of videos you want to see from me. So yeah, before you leave, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.